How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to create mock-up on Etsy using Canva. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on my create a listing on Etsy. Now, Etsy allows you to upload a photo of your digital product that you want to sell. So here's an example of a mock-up. So these are Etsy products, and as you can see, the frames right here, that's where your digital product must go. So I'm just going to show you how to create those using Canva. Now let's go to Canva. So once you're in Canva, go to this search bar right here and type on wall art mockup. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can use for your mockup, and some of it are paid and some of it requires a pro version of Canva. So I'm just gonna click on this template right here because it's free. And as you can see, I like this design because it is simple and it is very aesthetic. So just click on customize this template right here. So once you're in customize a template, go to uploads to start uploading your digital product to use. Now just go to upload files right here. And this is my digital product that I want to sell or I want to use for my listing. And just click on open. Now once it's done uploading, just click on the digital product, and you can just swipe it here to automatically fit into the frame, or you can adjust its size right here. So once you're satisfied of the outcome, just go to share right here to start downloading your file that you have created for Etsy. Just click on share and click on download, and make sure the file type is PNG as suggested by Canva, and click on download. Just wait for it to process and just click on save. So this is the file, or this is the image, or this is the mock-up that I'm gonna use to sell on Etsy. Now go to Etsy and just click on add a photo, then go to the file location that you saved your mock-up with. Just click on open, and if you want, just add a video to it, and here just add a title, and here you can add what the listing is all about, on what is the art about, and the category, and just like that. So that's very simple, everyone, and I think that's it for this video. And if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!